how to fix there is insufficient memory or disk space in Microsoft Word. Hey guys, this is Lucy, and today I'm going to show you how to solve this problem. So first you need to go to this PC. Here, click on the three dots, and in this drop-down menu, click on Options. A new window will appear. Here in View, go to Hidden Files and Folders and click on Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. So apply and OK. After that, go to C Drive and go to Users. Then click on your administrator account or your main account. And here you need to go to App Data. Then click on Roaming. Then here, search for Microsoft. Here it is. Click on that. And after that, search for Templates. Click on Templates. After that, search for Normal. Here, rename this normal file with old. There you go. And go back and click on the same three dots and go to Options again. And here go to View and click on Don't Show Hidden Files, Folders or Drive. Apply it, click on OK. Now restart Microsoft Word. Then your problem should be fixed. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helped. Like and subscribe for more tutorials. Meet you guys in the next video.